will open the custom-made container as soon as we find out how to do it. Yeah, this is one of the newer models. It has hidden devices that only a specialist can access, which I'm doing as you're watching. And I hope that we are all sufficiently impressed. We need to know how long to put it in so it doesn't blow up or something. Popping times 1 1/2 to 2 1/2. That's a big margin. That doesn't help much. Well, let's put it in for 2. It's an easy number to remember, and maybe it'll work. If it doesn't blow up, we're all set. All right. 2. There it goes. There's not that much to cooking. A lot is made of the difficulty of being a connoisseur. But with the modern packaging, anybody can do it. And I'm doing anybody stuff right now. I usually make my own popcorn. I go out and pick it. It's a specialty up here, and it only grows by the river. And there are little kernels, and it takes hours and hours of diligent work. And primarily, we employ underage children to do it, because their fingers are smaller and they're more adept, but they complain a lot. So we have to have replacements very often so they can take their damn nap. So that's kind of annoying. But you know, they're good kids, so you do your best. Some of them even want to get paid. We try to get orphans, because that way the parents don't complain so much, because they don't have parents, which, you know, took some thinking to make that equation make sense. But hey, we're making money, and we're making popcorn.
I think you're supposed to stop it when it's, you know,
Stops popping.
yeah, which I think it's really stopped.
Otherwise, you have burned popcorn, which is not good. All right. So far, so maybe a few burned kernels. I was apparently talking too much and not paying attention to what I'm doing. That was due to the fact that I'm being filmed. And, oh yeah, what the hell? How come they're red? What is that? What is that? How come they're red? Microwave remove. That doesn't say anything about red popcorn. Why are they red?
Let's get a nice visual of that. Yeah, look at that. It's all red in there.
Why is that?
I wonder why.
It's gotta be so. How old is this thing? Why is it red? What the hell is this?
Just put it in that.
Oh, I'm afraid to eat it. Why is it red? You know? Is it hot pepper or something? Oh, tastes alright. I think. Remove plastic wrap. I think I did that. Why is it red? Contains hot oil. How old is this damn thing?
Oh, I got that pretty recently,
Oh,
like
did you?
in March.
You know why it's red?
Oh, yeah, it's hot and spicy.
Oh man, that makes sense.
So how is it?
It is delicious. A little spicy on the tongue, though. I'm just glad to hear that the red is blood. Or maybe they chopped the head off a chicken and bled it in there or something. That's very good. Very hot. I just realized it's very hot. Too damn hot. He is really hot. Oh man. One more, I'll be crying.